Welcome to the studio. It's been a hot minute since I've done an update, so here we go. Just want to share a few of the pieces that are on display, some of which just came back from different exhibitions, and some are new, like the two botanicals on screen right now. The one on the right-hand side is inspired by orchids. The one on the left is a little more abstract, and it's inspired by camellias. There's also some new works on paper. Here's one with a frame, and some of these ceramic pieces. I'm looking forward to doing a separate video talking a little bit more about them. Also new is this piece that's on the easel, inspired by the wonderful flora and fauna seen underwater while scuba diving. And the one next to it, of course, this camellia as well, both of them statement pieces at 48 by 48. Also giving you a quick look, did rearrange a tiny bit. There's some experiments that I have now on the table. Looking forward to sharing those in a future video. And then I'm also excited to share, now I have some works on paper that are matted and ready to frame. So can't wait to share more about those. Ooh, that's one of my favorites right there. As always, if you like this kind of content, just remember to go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!